Extreme caution is needed this morning in Delhi NCR and the northern belt. A very thick blanket of fog is being witnessed across the northern belt of the country. Look at that. Completely zero visibility in barely few meters. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, parts of Madhya Pradesh are covered currently in a thick blanket of fog, and the cold wave is intensifying. Visibility has been reduced to zero, especially in open isolated areas. These are the visuals that are otherwise from busy areas and it shows how difficult it can be to drive this morning. People of Delhi NCR woke up to temperatures dropping to 7 degrees in Delhi. Visibility at Delhi airport stands at 100 meters max, which means flight operations are expected to be disrupted. 30 trains also toward national capital Delhi are running late. So it is advised that if you're on the road, drive safely, ensure that your fog lights, parking lights are on, and with that caution, enjoy the winter season as well, but take all precautionary measures.
So if you're a resident of Delhi, Noida and any part of the NCR, this morning you'll see the moment you step out of your home, you'll see the images like this where even the high-rise apartments are going literally invisible. In fact, the very next apartment to me, just across the boundary wall, has gone literally invisible. And in the service areas where we take an exit, the visibility is as low as 50 meters. And even more, after 7 o'clock, we see the vehicles have to turn their lights on, the headlights on, and even for the safety measures you have to turn your safety lights. Look at this. From 7 to 8 floor, everything has gone invisible. Nothing is visible here in this area, and that's the situation across Delhi and NCR. All these vehicles, look, just going beyond 50 meters, they'll be invisible. And the visibility is literally reducing, will impact the transportations, including the railways. Probably the trains could be delayed. Subsequently, the air transportations and the way on the national highways, if you are traveling, perhaps the more safety measures would be required, including maintaining proper distance, reducing more speed. And the Met Department, as it has predicted, the dense fog will continue at least for a week. And that kind of situation you see all over the area. So if you see these images in the residential areas, in the apartments, imagine the magnitude of the dense fog on the national highways when you step out of Delhi and NCR. And that's the situation all over the northern India, in Delhi, in Haryana, in Punjab, in western Uttar Pradesh. That's the situation. So if you're stepping out of your home, maintain a proper distance, take a precautionary measure. That's the dense fog prevailing all over the Delhi and NCR in the northern India. In Gautam Budh Nagar, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
यहाँ पर आप देखिए जीरो विजिबिलिटी हम कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि बेहद कम यहाँ पर सामने नजर आ रहा है कुछ, क्योंकि घना कोहरा है। आप नीचे देखिए, नीचे जो NH9 है वहां पर आप देख के समझ सकेंगे कि कुछ भी तस्वीर यहां से फ्लाईओवर से नीचे भी साफ साफ नजर नहीं आ रहा। तो ऐसे में जो 50 मीटर की दूरी पर जो मंदिर है उसके बारे में हम क्या कहेंगे, कुछ भी नजर नहीं आ रहा है। जिधर भी आपकी नजर जाएगी उधर सिर्फ सफेद कोहरे की चादर है। दिल्ली और NCR की यही हालत है। सुबह से ही कोहरा पड़ना शुरू हुआ और लगातार वो घना होता चला गया और इस वक्त कई जगहों पर विजिबिलिटी जीरो मापी गई है। अब इसका सीधा असर जो तमाम यातायात के साधन है, ट्रेनों पर इसका असर पड़ा है। कई ट्रेनें देरी से चल रही हैं। इसके अलावा हाईवेज पर ट्रैफिक की रफ्तार लगभग थम गई है। लोग बेहद संभाल के गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, लाइट्स ऑन करके गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, पार्किंग लाइट ऑन कर रखे हैं, फॉग लैंप अगर किसी गाड़ी में है तो उन्होंने फॉग लैंप भी ऑन करके रखा है। इतना ही नहीं, इस घने कोहरे का असर उड़ानों पर पड़ा है, क्योंकि जो सफदरजंग का इलाका है वहां पर भी विजिबिलिटी बेहद कम मापी गई है।
Remember that a reporter is never off duty and on the field right now, irrespective of any work. Our reporters are sending across so a message can reach to the viewer about what the situation on the ground presently is. Shreya Chatterjee joins me this morning. Shreya, I understand that you're clearly on other reports and investigation right now. Tell me, how is the fog also around you? And is there a slower traffic than usual? What are the advisories coming in?
Well, Pooja, it's clocking 9:40, but right now you can see the visibility. It hasn't improved. I'm right now at the Connaught Place. The Central Park has gone invisible. We can't see it at all. While I was traveling from my residence to the Central Delhi, there has been a very slow traffic movement because you can barely see 2 meters from ahead of you. So clearly, this was a prediction that did come in from the IMD that there will be a dense fog settling across the national capital, and that's exactly what it is. It's almost going to be 10 right now, and the fog condition does not seem to improve. So if you're driving around Central Delhi or the entire NCR region, it's better to be safe and drive slow because the traffic movement has indeed been impacted because of the fog conditions.
Shreya, thank you very much for the update coming in, and I can see nothing but a white thick blanket of fog behind you. Take care, stay safe, and we'll continue to get you all the reports on what Delhi NCR and the complete northern belt right now coming in. It's a beautiful winter season, but with regard to the fog, do ensure that you're taking all precautionary measures.